Good morning. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well and woke up early today. It looks sunny and comfortable today.
Do you enjoy walking in the morning?
Yes, the fresh air gives me more energy.
What are your plans for this week?
I want to finish my work and relax on the weekend.
Have you watched any good movies recently?
Yes, I watched a great comedy last weekend.
Do you prefer movies or books?
I enjoy both, but I read more often.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Mostly soft music and acoustic songs.
Do you like traveling to new places?
Yes, exploring new places is exciting.
Which season do you like the most?
I love autumn because of the cool weather.
Do you cook at home often?
Yes, I enjoy cooking simple meals.
What is your favorite food?
I really like noodles and grilled chicken.
Do you exercise regularly?
I try to exercise 3 times a week.
How do you spend your evenings?
Usually I read or watch videos online.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, it helps me communicate with more people.
What is the best advice you received?
Always stay patient and keep improving.
Do you like working with other people?
Yes, teamwork can be very enjoyable.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
I listen to music or go for a walk.
Are you interested in technology?
Yes, I enjoy learning about new tools.
Would you like to visit another country?
Absolutely, I want to travel more.
What makes a good friend?
Trust and honesty are very important.
Do you enjoy rainy days?
Sometimes, especially when I stay indoors.
How do you usually spend weekends?
One spend time with family and friends.
What is your favorite hobby?
Photography is one of my favorite hobbies.
Do you prefer cities or villages?
I enjoy the peaceful atmosphere of villages.
What motivates you every day?
Learning something new motivates me.
Do you like animals?
Yes, especially dogs and cats.
What skill would you like to learn?
I would like to learn another language.
What is your dream destination?
I would love to visit Switzerland someday.
Do you wake up early every day?
Most days I wake up before 7.
What do you usually have for lunch?
Rice with vegetables and meat.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Only when I really need something.
How often do you call your family?
I usually call them several times a week.
What is your favorite drink?
I like tea more than soft drinks.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
Winter because I enjoy cool weather.
What do you usually do before sleeping?
I read a few pages of a book.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, it can be very interesting.
What is the most beautiful place you visited?
A mountain village with amazing views.
Would you like to live abroad?
Maybe for a few years to gain experience.
Do you enjoy long conversations?
Yes, they help people understand each other better.
What is your favorite time of day?
Early morning is my favorite time.
How do you stay organized?
I write down my tasks every day.
Do you enjoy learning online?
Yes, it is convenient and flexible.
What do you think about social media?
It is useful when used wisely.